I'm rereading this book that I have about how the Illuminati create a total mind-controlled slave. I believe that's the title of the book. It's by Cisco Wheeler and Fritz Zimmerman. And I noticed that they talked about personality assessment system, so PAS, and how that is what the programmers use to determine like the personality types of people. For those of us that were in the GATE program, I think that the testing that they used sounds pretty similar to the tests that we went through, actually. So, this is kind of what they were trying to determine. So, this is a CIA file, and there's a lot more pages to it. However, this was just kind of an interesting chart that they had in it. So, the assessment looks at like how you react to different things. If there's a lot of things to do, do you kind of need multiple things going on to be able to get started? That would be polyactive. Proactive would mean that like you like create steps of what you're going to do. And then reactive would be somebody that needs somebody else's lead to figure out what to do. And then there was actually a lot of different ways that they kind of assessed it and grouped us into things. So I believe that I am in that polyactive group 8. So kind of in the center there with the seeker, theorist, dilettante, and activist, voyeur, perceiver, naturalist, spectator. I think that's where I'm at there. And then there's also like letter codes. That was similar to like the Myers-Briggs personality testing, and they did actually mention Myers-Briggs as well. So this is kind of what they use to determine how they should program people and what they might be good for. In this specific CIA document, they talked about some of the different personalities that they tested this on, how good they were at remote viewing. So there's other pages that like note how good the participant was at remote viewing. So I just found that interesting, and I thought that a lot of you that were in the GATE program might also find this interesting.